Okay, now for you to print your JAMB slip, there is a simple way to do that, and in this video I'm going to give you the guidance of what you need. We have been receiving a lot of queries on whether the printing of the 2025 JAMB slip is on. Right now you cannot print your slip. So I don't know the time you are watching this video. If you're watching it at this very moment I'm making it, the printing is not yet ready. I've done several videos on it, but pending whether it is ready by the time you are watching this video or not, what you need to know is that you will soon print it. JAMB is starting by 25th of this month, right? And by 20th, latest by 20th, the JAMB reprinting of your slip should be on. Now, I'm going to give you the website you will just click on so that you can print your slip. The good thing is that you can print it at home, or you can go to a nearby cyber cafe to reprint your JAMB slip. Look at this slip. I want to believe you can see the link. I will also share the link. If you need me to send you the link, just request for it in the comment section and it will be yours. This link on the screen, https://slipsprinting.jamb.gov.ng/print examination slip. Remember, https then slipsprinting.jamb.gov.ng/print examination slip. This is the official website. This is the official link for printing your JAMB score. Once you click on this link, look at where it will take you. It will open up this portal for you. This is the official portal so that you will not be scammed. It will open up this for you. Then you can put your JAMB reg number or your email address or your phone number, anyone. So get these things ready. At the moment, like I said, at the moment of making this video, the exam slip is not yet allowed. But once it's allowed, this place that the exam slip is not allowed will now open. So you just click on it, it will open. You can see it on your phone, but when you enter your JAMB hall, they will not collect. You will not begin to show them your phone because, of course, JAMB officials will not look at your phone. They won't even permit you to enter with your phone or with your calculator. Basically, you go and print it out. I've done a video here. I did a video on 2 ways you can reprint your JAMB slip. You can reprint it at home by yourself. You can watch the video we did, or you can reprint it in a cyber cafe. I've done detailed video on it. What I just showed you in this particular video is the way, simple, the website or the link to go ahead and print your slip. If you need me to give you further credence, let me know. If you have not yet become a member of our channel, go ahead, be a member of our channel right now. You have any question, let me know. Go ahead, join our YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and feel free to ask me for past questions, ask me for videos. We have done a lot of videos on past question and answer. I've been giving out past questions. If you need all the videos we've done on use of English, on chemistry, on physics, biology, economics, government, I can give them to you free of charge. So tell me everything you want. Ask me all your questions in the comment section right now. Remember to note this. If you want me to send this to you, once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, ask me for this link and it will be yours.